Hello.
Well, bruv, you've got nowhere to hide.
I'm Is that who I think it is? That's Blood Clot B!
Hello.
Who are you, bruv? Get out these ends before I shank you too, yeah?
Bane.
Do I look like some kind of joke man to you, yeah?
What are you doing, G? I'm
Nah, that's it, bruv. Come here.
Teddy says you're a waste man.
A waste man.
And your garm's a fake designer, G.
And how about I rip your teddy in half just like I'm gonna do to you, bruv? Wait, what are you doing, bruv? Let me see your hands.
Duck.
Oh, you're taking the piss now, bruv. Come here.
I told you. Duck.
Yes, Blood Clot B.
Oh, I love a bad boy. Can I have your snap?
Teddy thinks you're a leng one still.
Hang on, that's not fair. That's my missus.